All right, so this is Brian. I'm here to show you how you can now sell Data to Leads and Advocate Data's list building software to any of your Go High Level agency subscribers. So if we go take a look, we can now see that you within your agency can resell various apps. I went ahead over to Advocate Data on the App Marketplace. I went off over here as you see and I installed it. So what I can go do now is within a sub account of mine, I can access this app. So all of these features can actually be accessed directly through GoHighLevel. You don't have to leave the system at all. Within GoHighLevel, we are able to directly, obviously, see the app within here first off, as we see right there. But the second piece is once you customize the pricing and someone ends up purchasing it, you see now it sells for $500. Once that's all done, you'll get a nice little tab right here. And now your subscriber, who you have resold this service to, can begin building their various lead lists, from consumers to businesses to homeowners. All of this works within this system. So anything that you can end up doing outside of here, and it's in our actual website itself, the same functionality integrates within GoHighLevel. So the same type of thing, we'll filter our age ranges just for an example. And if you want to see another more detailed version of these searches, there's a lot of videos about solar leads, insurance leads, real estate leads, MCA leads, you name it. So just like this, we filter our leads. We can save our list. We'll call it Go High Level Leads. We'll take a look just to verify that it's here. And just like that, everything else we did outside of Go High Level is automatically brought into it. So no matter where you use the system, all your information stays nice and stored right here. So this is a little overview, and we will be making a lot more videos and webinars of how to successfully sell this add-on with your Go High Level integrations. Leave a comment below for any questions, and thanks a lot. Bye-bye.